first take a quick look at the AI function. Next, we'll go through the detailed usage and precautions for the AI function. First, you need to install the latest software version. Version 2.9.1 and above all support the AI function. If you don't have the software, you can contact Apple Dental to get it. Please note that the AI functions don't support analyzing imported images. If you want to analyze old images, you need to use the backup and restore functions to restore the old images to the new software. Since the AI function requires internet access, please make sure your computer is connected to the internet before using it. Select an image and click the eye icon to enter the image viewing interface. Choose an image you want to analyze with AI. Then click the AI button in the toolbar to start AI analysis. Please read the user agreement before using the AI function. If you don't want to see it again, you can select Not Prompting Anymore. But you can still click User Agreement in the bottom left corner to read it again. The top of the interface shows the patient's name, and the left sidebar allows you to click to show or hide comments. Hover your cursor over a tooth to see comments for that area, and view the marked outlines of diseases on the tooth. Click the eye icons to show or hide different parts of the teeth. Click the Origin button to show the original image. You can drag the slider to adjust the transparency of each part, and click the color circle to change the display color. Sometimes analysis might have issues. You can click Reanalysis to try again. Click on a tooth to change its number, and the tooth map will update accordingly. Here you can modify disease types. We currently support 6 types of diseases to choose from. You can also add treatment plans for each tooth. This section allows rotation, mirroring, and reset operations. The diagnosis results will show all diseases and their total count. On the tooth map, you can swap tooth positions, including upper, lower, and left-right swaps. The list bar also shows detailed information for each tooth. Finally, for PDF output, click the PDF button and a PDF file will be generated on your desktop. The default output location is the desktop and cannot be changed. You can view all analysis results in the PDF file. That's all for the AI function usage tutorial. Thank you for watching.